Hello and welcome to the Miami International Boat Show. I'm Rich Ragle with Sea Ray Boats. Really excited to walk you through our display here at Pier 7 at the Miami International Boat Show. As we first enter the display, we've got our lovely hostesses that'll greet you here at Sea Ray. They'll ask you where you do your boating and welcome you on into our display. As we enter our display, to your right-hand side will be our SLX Series. Our SLX Series this year, we have our SLX 400 outboard. We have our SLX 350 and the all-new SLX 310R. So you know and love the SLX 310, and now we packaged it with the new R package, complete with 400 horsepower Mercury race engines, custom paint and custom carbon fiber, and lots of interior treatments, including a custom interior with red piping and red accent lights. On the left side of our display, you'll see our Sundancer line. Our Sundancer 320, triple outboard, 250 horsepower. This also now comes in a Sundancer coupe, which is available. We also have our 350 coupe here. So you know and love the Sundancer 350. We have the coupe on display. It's a great boat that you can overnight and sleep 6 people. It's been a hallmark of Sea Ray with the Sundancer line for many years. As we continue down our docks, on your right-hand side, on the same side as the rest of our SLXs, you'll see the all-new SLX-R 400E. That was the showstopper in CES. That's a 40-foot day boat packaged with triple 450 horsepower race engines. That's over 65 miles an hour, complete with custom painted hull, custom painted hardtop, and custom interior. Back to the left side of our display, you'll see our SPX 230. This is a great boat for a saltwater environment. It's a large footprint, affordable for anyone. This one's packaged with Mercury's 200 horsepower outboard. It's a great boat for anyone, and it's well under $100,000. Also, we have our SDX Series. The SDX Series is really about making every weekend a vacation. We have our SDX 250, our SDX 270, and also our SDX 290. Now, all of our SPX and our SDX Series are available in both stern drive and outboard, so depending on where you do your boating, we've got a propulsion solution that fits everyone. And as we move on through our display, we've got some great areas here in the back. You can see some folks here, they're making their summer better. They're investing in a new Sea Ray. We love our customers there. And then over to the right-hand side of our display in the back, we have our VIP area. This is where we love to welcome our new Sea Ray owners, our existing Sea Ray owners, to come in, sit down, get out of the sun, have a cocktail, and just relax for a bit. Again, another set of lovely hostesses that greet our customers in our VIP. And you can see it's full right now. We love to have great experiences with our owners. We love to welcome them into the family. We like to make sure that when we see them at shows all across the country, we give them a handshake, we put our arms around them, and we truly thank them for allowing Sea Ray to be the #1 boat in the recreational fiberglass business. So thanks again for joining me. I'm Rich Ragle with Sea Ray Boats here at the Miami International Boat Show.